Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Division. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, right? Because most of the students feel a little bit of discomfort when they are asked to recite the tables. And if you are not good in tables, like tables of 12, 13, 14 up to 19, then division becomes little tricky and difficult. And the motive of bringing out these videos is to simplify division for you, and I hope you have already seen the wonder of halving. That means the previous video which I posted, that was based on halving the numbers in mind so that you can get the quotient when you divide big numbers by 2, 4, 8, that is multiples of 2 easily. In this video, I am going to take up another very important division hack. That is, it's a topic of the chapter number 3 of the ebook of short tricks, which we have for the school students, the college students, and for placement exams, the quant exams. And this trick will highlight and showcase division by numbers like 5, 20, 50. I'll tell you why these numbers are so important and related to each other, because the trick, the concept is nearly the same for all these numbers. So friends, watch the complete video. Very amazing and important concept coming up. And very important that you have a collection of all these tricks at one place, because if you keep watching the videos, it will all get mixed up. So you should have a collection of these at one place, whether you are a school student or a college student or aspiring to clear the quant exams. Then these are the tricks which are mentioned in our ebook of short tricks. So if you want a compilation of 350 such short tricks, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can find this number in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's see the concept in hand. Division by 5, 20 and 50. So when I talk about the division by 5 and then division by 50 and then division by 20, let's see what concept works for us the best. See, when you divide something x by 5, or dividing x by 50, or dividing x by 20, the best thing to do is to convert the divisor into a base number, like 5 to be converted to 10, 50 or 20 to be converted to 10 or 100, whichever works the best for you. And division by 5 is actually, when you multiply this by 2 and divide by 2, then you have 2x in the numerator and divide by 10 is elementary, because division by 10 is just shifting the decimal towards left. Likewise, here if you do double in the numerator and double in the denominator, so you have 2x and in the denominator it becomes 100. So if you double the numerator and then shift the decimal towards left, you will get your answer just like here. Division by 20 is division by 2 and then by 10. Now by 10 it is very easy because it is shifting the decimal towards left. What is division by 2? It is halving. So if you are good in halving and then shifting the decimal, division by 20 is not going to trouble you. So I hope the concept works for you and we can take up some questions to apply this trick. Let's see the first one. 445 divided by 5. So I have to take the double of this. See, I am writing double. So you don't have to write anything. This is just for understanding sake. So double, and the 5 will get multiplied by 2, which gives you a 10. So when you double 445, you will get 890. And 5 into 2 is 10. So the 0 cancels out and your answer for the question is 89. Very simple, right? Let's see another one. 4480 divided by 5. So I have to double this. That means multiply by 2. And so the denominator becomes 10. And the 10 obviously is going to cancel out the 0 at the end here. But double of this is, so 0 will remain there. 8 2s are 16, 6 1 carry, so this is 9 and then 8. and then in the denominator you have the 10, so the 0 gets cancelled and the answer is 896. Likewise, even if the number is odd, you can actually get the correct answer. Like suppose I'll take a 3-digit number which is odd. Here also it was odd. Division by 5 was very easy because the unit digit was 5. But if the unit digit is not 5, even then the trick works well. Suppose you have a number like, I'll take 163 and I need to divide that by 5. So what will happen is, I'll take double of this, right? So this becomes 326 and divided by 10. I double this and I double this also. So 32.6 will be my answer because I have to put a decimal 1 digit from the right hand side of this number. So likewise, the skill works for all numbers. So if I have taken 5 and 0 at the end, it doesn't mean that it will apply to 5 and 0 at the end only. You can have any number, the trick works equally well. Let's see now division by 20. So 6916 divided by 20 is equivalent to saying 6916 divided by 2 first and then 10 later. So division by 2 is halving. So let's take the half of this number. So 6 becomes 3, 9 becomes 4, 1 carried, so 11 becomes 5, 1 carried, so 16 becomes 8, and now divide by 10, put a decimal 1 digit from the right hand side, 345.8 is the required answer. Likewise, let's have this. So this is preliminary because you have 85360 divided by 20. So the 0 cancels out directly and you just have to take the half. The half of this is 4. Half of 5 will be like 2 2s are 4 and 1 carried. So 6 are 12, 1 carried, 8s are 16. So 4268 is the quotient. But had the digit here been something else, it would have been little bit more difficult. So I'll take another example, say 4a. This is 4, so 4a. Suppose you have 2, 1, 3, 8, 5. Let's not take 5, it's a multiple of 5, right? So let's take maybe a 7 here and I need to divide that by 20. So let's take the half of this 2, 1, 3, 8, 7 first and then divide it by 10. So 2 becomes 1. Obviously 1 is not divisible, so you'll have to put a 0, and then 13 means 6, 1 carried, 9, and then you have this 7 which is 3.5, and now I need to divide this by 10. So the digit after decimal we have a 5 here, so we'll have to shift the decimal 1 digit towards the left, which will give me 1069.35 as the quotient when I divide this big number 21387 by 20. Likewise, if you have 50 as the divisor, so what will happen here is 12250 divided by 50. Now this is an easy one because this is not division by 50, this is division by 5. So 0 cancels out and you just have to divide this by 5. And division by 5 is like doubling and doubling. So this becomes 1225 becomes 2450. So 2450 and divide by 5 2s are 10, where 0 cancels out and the answer is 245. Now the situation becomes little difficult when you have a decimal number here. So what you have to do, 35812.5 and divide by 50. So how to convert 50 to 100? I have to multiply this by 2. So I have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So let's start multiplying this by 2. 2 5s are 10, so you will have a 0 after decimal, which I don't want to write. Right? So 1 carried, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, we have a 5. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16, 6 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 1 carry, and then we have 6 plus 1 7, and in the denominator you have the 100, giving you the final answer as 716.25. See how the skill of doubling the numbers, it helps in getting to the correct answer. So likewise, you can take some random numbers here and change the divisor, either 5 or 20 or 50, and you will see how wonderfully the trick works. Whether it is a decimal number or a big whole number, an odd number, even number, whatever, and even a 7 to 8 digit number, you can divide by these numbers very, very quickly. So these are the basic skills you need to develop, in order to understand what will happen in the next subsequent videos. So practice this first, form a good base, and obviously if you like all these videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and do share the channel link with all your friends also, so that they can also take advantage of these useful tricks. And if you have subscribed the channel, please hit the bell icon. Along with the subscribe button, you have this bell icon. So if you click this and click all notifications, you will start getting the notifications of future uploads on your mobile itself. So do a lot of practice and let me know in the comments below, did it work for you? All the best.